Hey guys, so I'm gonna show you a hairstyle that you can do in the morning because sometimes we just don't know what to do. So yeah, sorry, but I look a little ratchet. Anyways, all you're gonna need is like a brush to brush your hair. Yeah, your hair, yourself, hands. Sorry if that's offensive. Why would that be offensive? I don't know. But anyways, you just need someone, like some hands to do it. But anyways, I don't know. And a little rubber band. So yeah. At first go to CGH Cute Girls Hairstyles, their channel, cause like they're awesome. Like if you want to know any hairstyle, you should go there. Like I do some, but it's not that good. But I mean, mine are good, but they're like awesome. So anyways, so what you want to do is part your hair like from the middle of your eye to like the side. I just do it right because I always part my hair to the right if I'm parting it because I'm a righty, so it's just better for me. I don't know, but it doesn't really matter. So once you have that, I don't know if you want to go like that, it doesn't really matter. But I take like a little piece right here. Woo! Just take that, put it in 3 pieces. And do a regular braid, one regular braid stitch. And then with the right one right here, I'm going to let it go, or like still hold on to it, but get a little piece of hair and cross it. And then you do a regular stitch, and then like you do a regular stitch from the other side. And then you take the piece from the right again, pick up a little piece of hair and cross it over. And you could do it as many times as you want, but I like to only do 2 because then once you're there, you just do like a normal braid and it will fall down right here. So it looks like that. I think it looks really cool. You could like go all the way back here and have it just straight down over here. You could have it on like a different side. It doesn't really matter, but I like this hairstyle because when I don't know what to do with my hair and when my hair just looks kind of weird and crazy, it just helps me. So yeah. This is what it looks like right now. Once you are like at the end, like I have layers. Oh, I have layers, so sometimes I can't go as far as I would like to, but I still try to get as far as to the bottom.
Great job, Gabriella.
Sorry about that. That was my dad, but anyways. And then you just keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going, until you would like to stop, or until, no, or until you just are at the end of the hair. And that's as far as I can go. And then you take your little rubber band. No. You take your little rubber band and just tie that off. Because, you don't want it to fall out. And after you have that secured, it will look like this. Can you see that? I don't know. My lighting is kind of bad. And, hold on. Hey, it's me in my mirror. Woo. Oh, you can see it like that too. See it? See it? Say it! If you can see that in there. I don't know, but yeah. You can basically see it right here. And sometimes I'll just put like, I have some bows. I have like this one. This one, I love this one. So, or I like this one too, but I have a lot of other ones, but this is my favorite. So sometimes I'll just like put the bow in like this, or wherever you would like to put it, like this. And this hairstyle is great for oily hair. Like, I didn't take a shower yet, so it's like a little oily, sort of, I guess you would say. But, so it takes like half your head and makes it look pretty. So this half doesn't look that bad, right? Am I right? Or maybe you should go like that. Cheese. Selfie. Yeah. Anyway, I say anyways a lot. Comment and say what word you say a lot, because me and my friends are always like, so anyway, we're like that's what we say. It's just like if someone starts talking and we're like talking already, we'll be like, what? And we'll start talking to them, and then we'll go back to our friend and be like, anyway, and then just start talking. But yeah, subscribe and like, thumbs up. Come on, guys, we gotta get a thumbs up here. Yeah. If you're wondering what, like, I got some hair, like, stuff, like, I got some bows, if you want to know where my bows I got from, or, see, got some bows. I have more bows. I have, like, black and flowers and stuff like that, and I have, like, different colored braided headbands, and, a bow headband that's like lace, and it's like not like a bow, but like little thing. But if you want to know where I got this from, you could go to Mall Haul and see where I got my other stuff when I went to the mall. So hope you like my video. Sorry about that. I wasn't looking at the camera thing, so I tried to press the button to turn it off, but I missed, so let's try that again. Hope you like